Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. What just occurred to the Shiba Inu coin will wow you. Since its launch, the meme coin known as Shib has drawn interest from cryptocurrency investors all over the world. Shiba Inu is a real-world payment option that is almost as popular in the cryptocurrency industry as Dogecoin. Shiba Inu's debut into the metaverse market will also help users who are interested in online virtual reality gaming, NFT minting and trading, and digital land purchase, among other things. Shiba Inu, a groundbreaking breed. Shiba Inu owners are able to take part in staking, lending money, and generating passive revenue because to the incentive system. We'll discuss about Holy Shib in this video. What just occurred to the Shiba Inu coin will wow you. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu was founded in 2020 by an enigmatic founder named Ryoshi who, until recently, appeared to have given up on the endeavor. The second most significant memicon on the market has made significant strides in terms of adoption and trust as a digital tool over the past few months, as evidenced by the decision of AMC, the largest owner of cinemas and theaters in the United States, to authorize payments with this coin in its theaters. This coin currently ranks 14th in the ranking among the most capitalized cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin Shiba 2. Or you might do it like the biggest US trading app, Robinhood, which opted to add it among the tradable coins on its platform in April. Shib appears to be experiencing a particularly difficult period in the market at the moment since, according to analyst lists, it is in close proximity to a crucial support level, the breach of which could trigger a new negative phase. It is directly related to its token despite the news that it will soon be listed on the significant BitMax exchange and the debut of the online card game Shiba Eternity. But over the previous 7 days, it has seen a 121% spike in trading volume, which is a certain indicator that a significant move in one direction or the other is imminent. Many analysts estimate that Shib attracted over 100,000 new licenses. There are currently 2,203,375 owners of this well-known canine cryptocurrency. That number has climbed by about 10,000 since the highly anticipated trading card game Shiba Eternity was published a week ago. On the first day of the game, 2,220 new users joined the Shiba token. As you mentioned earlier today, Elon Musk announced the release of a branded perfume made by one of his firms on October 12th. Strangely, the Boring Company's goal was to build underground tunnels to relieve city traffic. The fragrance is referred to as burnt hair and costs $104 per bottle. 10,000 bottles were sold for $1 million. Musk said in a tweet that Doge was acceptable as payment on the first day of the launch. But BitPay, a payment processor, also lets users pay using Shiba, Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a number of other digital currencies. The following day, Musk tweeted 20,000, which some took to mean that burnt hair Dogecoin sales had risen. This has no impact on the price. Even a member of the Doge development team mentioned that it was difficult for him to purchase the perfume in the meme room, complaining that the entire process was challenging without noting whether he eventually succeeded or not. Ryoshi Vision's influence of the burn portal Shibaren.com was just confirmed by the Shiba Inu team. Users will also be given access to a new burn mechanism similar to the Shibarium protocol, as the company is counting on widespread token burning to raise Shib values. Shibburn.com reported on October 13th that 20 billion Shib tokens were burned in just one day, bringing the total torch to 410.38 billion. This area still requires a great deal of improvement. Shiba Inu's total supply is approximately 1 quadrillion, and its current circulation is more than 589 trillion. As the project continues to release new features, there is an appreciable amount of network activity surrounding the Shiba Inu token. The token's price has fluctuated wildly over the course of 2022, dropping from a high of 30 cents in February to its present low of 90 cents. The token still ranks among the top 15 tokens as of October 13th with a fully diluted market cap of about $5.8 billion. Analysts are pointing to a number of variables that suggest SHIB may have a bright future, despite the fact that the price decline may leave investors concerned about the future. One of these elements is the Shiba Inu project's work on advancements that will greatly enhance the ecosystem's functionality and services. Because of all the features it is anticipated to deliver in the upcoming months, SHIB may have a strong 2023. By recently releasing the Shiba Eternity card game, which quickly rose to the top of the App Store's card games, it has already made strides in this direction. The game is available for free to play and was created in collaboration with Playsight Studios and Shib. The ability of Shiba Inu to innovate and introduce new features, distinguishing it from a typical meme coin, has been praised by the cryptocurrency community. The group is also working on Shibarium, the Layer 2 solution, in addition to Shiba Eternity. There is no set release date for this, though some have requested at least a date for the public beta. Originally planned to launch in the third quarter of 2022, or potentially a bit later, Shibarium is now only expected to be announced when it is complete. The Layer 2 fix will lessen gas costs, which affect Shiba Inu and all ERC20 tokens alike. According to the team, Shibarium would cut transaction costs to pennies and speed up transactions to just a few seconds. Even under ideal conditions, it can be challenging to predict prices in the cryptocurrency market, but Shiba Inu's developments may provide some indication of the token's future course. The token's price has dropped from its all-time high of $86 to 90 cents, or nearly 89%. The fact that SHIB has increased by an astounding 17,204,584.7% from its all-time low is noteworthy, though. Investors anticipate at least a solid performance in 2020. Investors will be more anticipating of a range of 0 points next year, with 2's highs of 30 cents being entirely feasible. Memekins are highly volatile due to the unpredictability of the cryptocurrency market. As the hype dominates the market, SHIB may very possibly experience even greater growth. Of course, some analysts call for a rise even farther, to $1, but this is improbable. The total market capitalization of SHIB would be $549 million at a $1 valuation. The market capitalization of the cryptocurrency industry as of right now is greater than 50%. Comparatively, the market value of Bitcoin is merely $364 billion. Poor Dad, Rich Dad Robert Kiyosaki, a writer, has once again predicted a significant fall in the US economy and the dollar. In a recent tweet warning that millions could perish, Kiyosaki claimed that while macroeconomic difficulties are still invisible to most people, they only consider microeconomic factors like rising food and fuel prices. The best-selling author then admonished his fans to shield themselves from catastrophe by purchasing silver and gold, this time in addition to Bitcoin. With the past 2 years, Kiyosaki has been foreseeing the impending collapse of the US dollar, and with good cause. The Federal Reserve printed more than $6 trillion in 2020 alone, and this year the US Central Bank raised interest rates numerous times. The imminent listing of 6 new cryptocurrencies has been officially announced by BitMax, one of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges. The well-known meme token is one of these coins that will shortly be featured. Users will be able to convert, deposit, and withdraw Shiba Inu to their exchange accounts thanks to the listing of the currency. One of the few significant cryptocurrency exchanges, BitMax, had not yet unveiled a Deutsche coin rival. SHIB's price, however, does not appear to have been affected by the listing news. It is currently trading at $0.34, down 5.4% over the last 24 hours. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.